How to fix LinkedIn email verification not working. First of all, I would suggest you to check your Wi-Fi. Sometimes the slow Wi-Fi causes the issue. The next thing I would tell you guys is to check if LinkedIn servers are online or not. Sometimes LinkedIn servers go offline to fix their issue. In that case, LinkedIn will not work properly and your app will also not work properly. So you need to look into that problem. And if that is also not the problem, the next thing you can do is just delete your LinkedIn app and reinstall it again. Sometimes a bug causes the issue, so doing that will fix your issue. It's going to reset your app, and make sure you're not using any VPN when you're trying to use LinkedIn, because if you do that, it's going to cause issue. So if you follow all of these steps which I told you, it should fix your problem. And the next thing is, if you try to send too much verification code to your email within a certain period, let's say you try to send yourself 5 to 6 code within that 1 hour period, LinkedIn is going to think you are a bot, you're spamming code, so it's going to temporarily disable your code. So you need to wait for 24 hours to reactivate it again. So that's how you guys can fix this issue. Subscribe to our channel.